Before store-bought desserts, fast food, and microwaves, Americans celebrated Christmas with handmade dishes. Foods that took hours, even days to prepare, and were passed down through generations. But today, almost all of them have disappeared. Tonight, we're going back in time to explore 25 forgotten Christmas foods Americans stopped making. Some are beautiful, some are strange, and some were once the heart of Christmas itself. Number 1. Snowflake Divinity Candy. Light as a cloud, sweet as a winter morning. Divinity candy was once the pride of Southern Christmas tables. But today, few people have the patience to beat egg whites for 15 minutes straight. Number 2. Plum pudding. Once the centerpiece of Christmas dinners, plum pudding simmered for hours, sometimes days, wrapped, steamed, soaked, and aged. Modern families simply don't make slow desserts anymore. Number 3. Ribbon gelatin loaf. Layered red, white, and green gelatin dishes were mid-century Christmas icons. Today, gelatin desserts are nearly extinct in American homes. Number 4. Date nut roll. Soft, sticky, rolled in nuts. Grandmothers made this treat by hand every holiday. It vanished when ready-made candy took over. Number 5. Butterscotch haystacks. A no-bake 1960s Christmas candy made from chow mein noodles and melted butterscotch chips. Kids loved it. Adults forgot it. Number 6. Cranberry mold. Ring Jell-O molds were once the sign of a good hostess. Today, they're museum pieces of food history. Number 7. Old-fashioned gingerbread cake. Moist, spiced, and baked from scratch. Most families now swap it for boxed mixes, a far cry from the original. Number 8. Sugar plums. Yes, sugar plums are real, not just from the poem. They took hours to roll, layer, and coat in sugar. Number 9. Wassail punch. A warm medieval drink once served from door to door. Today, it's nearly forgotten, replaced by hot chocolate and cider. Number 10. Red velvet jam cake. A Southern Christmas tradition, layers of spice cake filled with blackberry jam. Labor-intensive, and fading fast. Number 11. Hardtack candy. Your grandma probably made these, colorful glass-like candies dusted in sugar. Cheap to make, deadly on teeth. Number 12. Figgy pudding. America once embraced this British import. Now, almost no one touches it. Number 13. Ambrosia salad. A coconut fruit marshmallow mix that was once a Christmas must-have in the South. Today it's considered retro weird. Number 14. Popcorn garland treats. Families made popcorn chains for the tree and snacked on the sugary clusters. Now it's all plastic ornaments. Number 15. Candy cane cookies. Half vanilla, half peppermint, twisted into candy cane shapes. Beautiful, but time-consuming. Number 16. Fruitcake. Icebox bars. Before ovens were common, icebox bars were the holiday dessert. No one keeps these traditions alive anymore. Number 17. Glasses crinkle. Spicy, chewy, and rolled in sugar. These cookies defined Christmas during the World Wars. Number 18. Cinnamon applesauce. Raisin bread. A Depression-era Christmas loaf made from cheap ingredients. Forgotten after convenience food arrived. Number 19. Rum balls. No-bake holiday balls rolled in cocoa. Adults enjoyed them, kids weren't supposed to. Number 20. Snowball cookies. Also known as Mexican wedding cookies. Crumbly, buttery, powdered sugar heaven. Number 21. Mincemeat pie. Once the king of Christmas pies. Today, barely anyone knows what mincemeat even is. Number 22. Oatmeal spice drop cookies. A warm cookie with notes of cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, almost extinct from modern kitchens. Number 23. Pineapple upside-down Christmas cake. A 1950s holiday classic that slowly faded away with boxed desserts. Number 24. Hot buttered rum mix. A Christmas drink mix families kept ready all December. Now replaced by instant cocoa packets. Number 25. Grandma's Christmas fudge. The final forgotten treasure. Rich, soft, slow-cooked fudge. No microwave shortcuts. No shortcuts at all. These dishes weren't just food, they were memories, traditions, hours of love built into every bite. Today, we've traded effort for convenience, and forgotten the flavors that once defined Christmas in America. Which forgotten food should make a comeback? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more vintage American history.